So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about take solutions. So we'll try to find out the next possible levels of it. So today you can see the stock has almost went to 15 to 16% and later it has settled around 11%. So that's why I tell to not miss any update you need to subscribe the channel. So I've also mentioned about this particular share in Telegram as well when it was trading around 38 rupees. Even today also I have put in the Telegram that it has almost reached the 10% level. So that is the importance of the level. So whenever any level which is very crucial, it obeys that particular level very well. Only okay, this is not only the share, there are so many shares which are available. You can see Marks and Pharma, Morpin Lab. So everything happens like this only, especially if we focus on the small cap stocks or micro cap stocks. When the operator enters, we need to be very cautious and we need to enter before the operator enters. So that is the main strategy when I personally post videos on some particular shares. So people who are new to the channel can definitely subscribe the channel as well. So we know the stock almost we can see from April or we can say February itself the stock was in continuous downtrend because of the COVID issue. We know that it was continuously falling down and we can see that it has almost reached the 38 rupees. But you can see on February you can see it was trading around 100 rupees and later it has started falling. So major issue was the financials of the company. So when the profit as well as revenue dropped, so the stock also started falling. Okay, but one important thing is that the company is debt free, so there is no debt on the particular company as well as there is no pledging. So that is a very good indication for the company. And we also know that it is into pharmaceuticals as well as software development. So this is a completely diversified company, the two in other countries, the two in Middle East as well as in American countries. So this particular company has advantage outside as well. Okay, so we discussed everything. So people are new to this particular video, they can watch the take solutions complete video where I discuss the fundamentals. Okay, so watch that as well so that you will have an idea. So people who are regularly following me in the YouTube, when they've subscribed and also following me on Telegram, you can also see when it was trading around 39.35 or 38, I updated it in the Telegram as well. So you can see this particular level was very crucial because it has touched that particular level almost two times and it has given a very good move. So that's why I told you can definitely focus on it. Either it may be positional trading or it may be long term. So either of the case I told you can definitely enter. So we'll try to find out what will be the next possible levels as well. So today you can see almost the stock touched around 52 rupees and these are the same levels that I've shown in my previous videos as well. So from 38.47 you can see how well it has given a movement. So this rally is very good. So we can see after breaking the 20 EMA, again breaking the 50 EMA. So currently you can see it is above this particular pivot point. So that is a good indication and also it is trading above 50 rupees. So okay, so what will be the further levels of it? So further levels are 54, which is very important level, and next immediate you can see 57. So these are the two next that is the targets that should be achieved by this particular company. So particular stock right now is in a good momentum, so we need to see will it sustain that. And you can see money flow index as well is not reached the overbought region, so still momentum is possible. So this is in 1 day chart. So what we can see in 1 week chart, that also we'll see. Okay, so on 1 week chart you can see this particular level which you are discussing how crucial it was. So when it has touched that particular level, it has almost gone to this particular 67 level, from where again it has started retracing. So same again it has now reached this particular level and now immediate again resistance is 53 rupees. So if it gives further movement from that, then in coming sessions we can see more upward journey. And you can see money flow index also, you can see still it's in Okay, it has just reached the oversold region and now only it has started its momentum. So further momentum is there, it should reach the overbought region as well. So we can not conclude that the journey of this particular stock is completed here. So further movement also will happen, and definitely you can hold it. If correction happens, then definitely you need to should not do any sort of selling. Only if you want, you can add in small quantities. So don't do any sort of heavy selling if you have a good quantity. Okay, apart from that, stock is very good. So very good movement was seen, nothing wrong in it, or nothing we can say problems are there. Only thing is the financial, so that should be improved. So that will improve when the COVID situation also will settle down. So for long term point of view, for long horizon, so think in that prospect as well. Okay, so in my previous videos when we discussed about S Bank also, you can see today how much excellent move was shown by that as well. So there are so many shares, but only thing is that we need to focus on the technicals as well as the fundamentals. You should not focus only on one stock, and you should waste the entire portfolio. You should build your portfolio, you should diversify, and you need to hold for long term. So that is the main strategy. So people are holding the tech solutions can definitely mention in the comment section as well. So next videos we'll discuss about Yes Bank, and we'll discuss about another excellent share which is also present at the bottom. So definitely people who are new to the channel can definitely subscribe the channel as well. So until then, take care, bye bye.